Alright, I decided to take a different approach. I moved everything up to the mortician stable for further surgery. I've disconnected the back brake cable. The throttle was already done. Disconnected the decompression. I'm just down to the wiring now. And one of the reasons I'm actually shooting this right now is so I can at least get the wiring on camera. So, orange, green, 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 yellow, black, white, yellow, yellow with a splitter for yellow, and a red, another black, white, and then something up here. I don't even know what that is. Okay. There goes nothing. Well, unfortunately you can't really see it, so I'm going to unhook it and then throw this up on the bench, and I'll show you where to go after that.